Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here in the car reviews. Anyways, so we got today a special product by a special company. Crazy Larry's was kind enough to send out a review sample of their Crazy Larry's window cleaning concentrate. So, um, so just give them a check them out. Links will be down below where you can pick it up at. Pick it up on their website. I believe WCR holds their product, and we'll just go from there. All right, so we got Crazy Larry soap. It's in this bluish bottle. It looks pretty cool. Looks cool when you hold it up to the light. You got Crazy Larry on the cover. I don't know if this is what Crazy Larry looks like, but boy, definitely looks crazy. So again, just like all the other ones, 1-to-1, 1 ounce to 1 gallon. It says here, supercharged squeegee glide made with deionized water, superior foaming action, streak-free concentration, razor smooth for razor blades, safe on quad zero steel wool, and slow drying formula. And then it has a QR code to order more and their social medias. Here are the directions as follows. It is 1 ounce of Crazy Larry's per gallon of water. Add extra soap or dilute with water as needed. Formulated for window cleaning methods using a mop and squeegee. Designed and bottled in California for window cleaning contractors and professional. Trusted and approved by high-rise and rope access cleaning technicians. CrazyLarrys.com or CrazyLarrySoap.com. Yeah. So let's get into the review, right? So I have used this just the formula alone. I never do what they say with the 1 ounce to 1 gallon. I typically do about, I think I did like a 4-second pour, so that'll probably be about a 2.5 ounces maybe of solution. So I do a little bit more. I do like a little bit more, 2 ounces to 1 gallon. But at the end of the day, it does suds up a lot. It does create a nice gliding formula or a nice gliding environment for the squeegee. I never had any hack marks. I never had any like getting stuck getting stuck on the glass. And I did notice it. I mean, we're still a little bit in winter time, but I was doing some windows in direct sunlight, and the formula, and they were pretty big windows. They were about, I want to say maybe 6 by 6 feet, in direct sunlight while doing pole work. So I obviously, my flick pad, my rubber on my Mormon wasn't really working out, so I couldn't do the flick pad, so I had to, and they were about 12, maybe about 12 feet because my pole was maxed out. So I dipped the brush or dipped the squeegee in the mop water, threw the pole up, scrub, brought the pole down, switched to my squeegee, and then cleaned it again. So the windows did not dry. It was a warmish day, I guess you could say. But I haven't tested this out in summer yet. But in that spot, in direct sunlight, up in the hills up here in Southern California, the windows did not dry before I got to do the whole window, so that was really good. Again, I'll put an update in the description below during summertime when we can truly test this out on a very hot window on a hot summer's day. All in all, the only thing for me about this product here, it is quite expensive. I believe it's like $25 for a 16-ounce bottle, which will make 16 gallons according to the instructions of 1 ounce to 1 gallon of water. And like I said, this is 16 ounces, so that means it should make 16 ounces. Although the front does say makes 32 gallons, so I'm not 100% sure based on my math. Like I said, it's a great product. It is rather expensive, but if you're not going to be using it all the time, and like if you're a part-time window cleaner, let's say, like I said, you're not really running through your soap that much, I'd buy it. It's cheaper if you buy it, obviously, per ounce if you buy the gallon size. So I'll link that down below. And I'm pretty sure, like I said, this is pretty much just it's a really good product. I don't use this. I only use this product alone with no extra chemical. So that's how you know it's a really good cleaning formula. So like the other ones, right? I mix those with a little bit of extra soap from Dawn. This one, I just use this soap alone. So I really like this product. The only thing for me is that it's quite expensive, but Um, but I don't use this one too often. So, you know, that 25 bucks isn't that much of an expense because I don't use this soap that often. I mix up my soaps. I don't have like a super go-to soap. So, but anyways, great product though. It does, if you work a lot, if it gets really hot where you live during the summertime, definitely check this out for the, just in, like, because you're gonna work in direct sunlight most of the time. So I'll definitely give this a try. Check them out. Links will be down below. All right, till the next one. Thank you again, Crazy Larry, for sending this out. Really enjoyed it. So till the next one, peace.